A cobra rears up. Fangs exposed. Venom loaded. The animal in front of it doesn't run. It charges. Within seconds, the cobra is dead. The predator that just killed it? 35 pounds. Knee height to a human. Built like a small dog. But here's what nobody talks about. The cobra bit it. The venom entered the bloodstream. The honey badger collapsed. Went limp. And 11 minutes later, it stood back up. Finished eating the snake. Then went looking for another one. No anti-venom. No medical intervention. No evolutionary partner to help. Just a body that decided venom wasn't a problem anymore. This isn't an exaggeration. This is documented behavior. Filmed. Studied. Still not fully explained by science. The honey badger doesn't survive the wild. It dominates it. And we're only just beginning to understand how. Start with the skin. Because that's where this gets disturbing. Honey badger's skin is approximately 6 millimeters thick. That's not impressive until you learn what it resists. Arrows. Machetes. Porcupine quills. The bites of lions. The skin is so loose on the body that a honey badger can twist completely around inside it and bite whatever is holding it. A lion clamps down. The badger rotates. Now it's biting the lion's face. From inside the lion's own grip. Then there's the venom resistance. The honey badger carries a mutation in its nicotinic acetylcholine receptors, the same pathway targeted by cobra neurotoxins. The mutation doesn't neutralize venom. It changes the shape of the receptor so the venom has nothing to bind to. The key no longer fits the lock. Put a human being in the same scenarios. Walk through it. Cobra venom at a lethal dose causes paralysis within 30 minutes. Respiratory failure follows. Without treatment, death occurs in 6 to 12 hours. A honey badger absorbs that same bite, loses consciousness for 11 minutes, and resumes the hunt. A human stung by 50 bees risks anaphylactic shock. The honey badger absorbs 1,000 stings from African honeybees, one of the most aggressive subspecies on the planet, and treats it as an inconvenience. Human skin tears at roughly 0.2 megapascals of pressure. A lion's bite delivers approximately 4.5 megapascals. That's not survivable for us without catastrophic injury. The honey badger's skin absorbs it. Rolls inside it. Counterattacks. Here's where it gets darker. The honey badger doesn't just survive apex predators. It provokes them. Researchers observing badgers in the Kalahari documented repeated, unprovoked confrontations with lions. Not defensive standoffs, approaches. The badger walked toward the lion. The lion retreated in 60% of recorded encounters. 60%. A 35-pound animal sent a 400-pound predator backward. The reason isn't size. It's something behavioral scientists describe as a credible threat signal. Animals evaluate risk before engaging. A lion reads the honey badger and calculates, even if I win, what does winning cost me? An infected bite. A torn eye. Days of reduced hunting capacity. The math doesn't work. So the lion leaves. The honey badger has essentially weaponized the calculation that every predator makes. It doesn't need to be bigger. It needs to make the cost too high. Every series in Humans vs. Species asks the same question underneath the facts. Not just what is this animal, but what does it reveal about us? The honey badger reveals something specific. We've built civilization on the premise that cooperation beats individual capability. That tools, systems, and medicine extend what a single body cannot do alone. The honey badger invalidates that assumption at the biological level. It doesn't cooperate. It doesn't use tools to survive, only occasionally to escape captivity we built. It doesn't treat wounds. It simply continues. If this animal surprised you, there are dozens more that will. Every episode of Humans vs. Species takes one creature and dismantles what you thought you knew about survival. Subscribe. Leave the one animal you think belongs in this series.